Hello guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to use your Grindr dating app on your mobile phone. Now first of all, let's download our Grindr app from the Play Store. Now type in Grindr, and after that, as you can see here, this is a Grindr gay chat. Now click on it and install it. Now after your installation is complete, I'll teach you how to use your Grindr dating app. Now as you can see here, my Grindr app is installing. Now wait for it, and as you can see, the Grindr app has 3.6 ratings and reviews from the 8 lakhs users overall. Now after your Grindr app is completed, I'll teach you how to create your account on this app. Now open your Grindr app, and as you can see here, you can either use your email or Facebook to sign in your Grindr. Now click on sign up, hit next, and accept these terms of conditions. This is privacy and policy too. Now put your birthday here and the year you were born, hit next. Now either you can use your email or Facebook, so I'm gonna use Google for now and use one of my Google account for it, and I'm gonna change my name into another name and change my gender to man, and I'm gonna put save. So I'm not gonna put pictures for now. So after that, allow the locations to use Grindr app because you need it, and click on accept sharing and click on got it. Now you have successfully created your Grindr account. Now as you can see here in Grindr app, this is your account. If you press on left top corner, then it will show you your account, and you can also change your name here. So I'm gonna change my name to another name, and I can also go to incognito mode in Grindr, but you need to pay for it. And I'm going to teach you how to text in Grindr. Now as you can see here, I've got no messages for now, but if I want to text someone, so I'm going to text this person and click on this text logo, as you can see at the bottom right corner, and text hey. So as you can see, I text this person on Grindr. Now if I want to block this person, then go to this profile, and as you can see in the top right corner, the stop logo, then click on it and click block user. Now it will ask you, are you sure you want to block this user? Then click on yes. Now that's how you block the user. Now if you want to unblock that user, go to your profile again, that is on top left corner, and click on settings. Now after clicking on settings, as you scroll down in security and privacy category, on block users, click on it and click on unblock all, and you have successfully unblocked the user. Now if you want to check how many people have viewed you, then click on this top right corner in the home page, this eye logo, and as you can see here, many people have viewed you. So I've just created an account, so no one has viewed me for now. And if you want to check on your favorites, then if you check here, as you can see in the bottom of the screen, it has said favorites, the star logo, then you can check here. So I'm gonna put this person on my favorite and go back. As you can see here, it will be on my favorites. And if you want to edit profile, go to your profile again, that is on top left corner, and click on edit profile. Now you can edit your name. You can also write a small bio about you, saying like this. You can also change your age, your height, your weight, your ethnicity, your body type, your position, tribes, and your relationship status. Also, what are your expectations from this app, or what are you looking for, or if you are consenting to meet or consenting for NSFW pictures and many more. And after editing all that, you can save it. Now, to deactivate your account, go to settings, that is on profile again, and as you can see in the top account category, here is the deactivate button, and click on deactivate. After that, you can either log out or you can either delete account. Now, if you want to change notifications, again go to settings again, and in the notifications category, click on notification settings and you can choose if you want the notifications to show or not, and it will show you to settings page. Now you can also create albums if you want to send it to the users you are talking to. So here's a small album saying me, and I'm going to choose some photos from here, something like this, and hit next. Now please wait for a while, it will take some time, and here you go. Now you can change this album and send it to people you are texting to. And after that, to delete an account or to delete or log out from your profile, just go to deactivate again and click on deactivate. Now after clicking on delete account, click on other or I just want to take a break and delete your account. Now you have successfully deleted your Grindr account. And that's how you use your Grindr dating app. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. Thank you for watching.